Kardom B News 7 Than Bang Nili Bapuram Senar Non Birtang Ton Pen Langponika Nagalan Pen Kiju Yapan Kevang Inud Nung Sisu Wiling Pu Abang Pu Lang Kejang Pen Apran kedam na Lason si Tarik Re Pliarni Langsun Kelang Jia Pan Pura Nagalan Pen Banghini Atung Wangsi Langvoku Along Ning Cheparong Ponlo Bonta Kopai Kelang Nu Ajok Nung Sisu Wiling Pu Abang Pu Langsun Apuchong An Arlu Damsi Arlong kang lit pig ajok tut ser pen amat langjang cho pilot abang pu arta thongke bratrok pusi chethan ponrinti lason si Assam SDRF lapen Nagaland SDRF atum birta longsi kichitang abang arpum riponlo bonta kecheng si arni mate tarikre phoarni pen riponlo bonta longpon pededlo lason si tarikre trok arni adda pen ripon bomsi arni kangsam bajike thoma por molom abang arpum kichitang longponlo lapen longpon de api langsun pen ulai si manja rai komasa khiatum chepari deng ponlo lapen non birtang ton pen
kita muridan oh boria pan arpan boria oke boria hoi gol kapur di lang Totang de sala dak lam ku terfol long ai nu abang pun Nagalan pen abang langjang chok lok thang mi thoman lok ni chok kiri tang de la suk thang ni tu
la so lam ke nin kunta tu kidam tang so kenarni pen kalbing first bang lo nin tu la so ni di kubaron ede atwa tarpol la so ben lang ki the joine ki kubaron ede ya batumi yesterday ni tum Nagaland is there tintu wanglo nitum pujai pen wangla pen dikko tindu si thom pen nitum rap pen si charge lo anta long une de lang ke the joine si pini pu thot wang thusi pini ke recover ke lo 230 malom kijang ko amen ke lake ala Nagaland also si suk willing to amen arta bange 36
tande ko narong solo la arong nami
Dimapur town Dimapur
no foto tale alang tum bang kon si bang
Kevang ke ni tu karjo teng ke alang tum bang ni si bang ni bang si la tum la step ini do so waterfall di first step long lang tum singnu le de thang step ti dang long pat pudak en lang ke teman ni to te an koi do ha arlong ang ke long ti dam chok man ki ri sum tik tu thot mini rong asam tum da tu tan lang teng aja pen ti lang tot ke to so kisi der bodi kan ti tum chik jar ke long tik an ban se get you to do
Hi, sir. Hi, friends. It's a great joy to be here. Just to speak on behalf of all of us as a human being. And we know that today, 3 days back, there was a small incident happened in the waterfall. A few boys just came for a picnic to enjoy, to see the natural beauty. Unfortunately, one boy fallen in the water. And he died, and by the grace of God, by the help of God, with the help of some of the bullies from Nagaland, from Assam, and well-wishers and brothers and sisters came, and till 3 days today, we found the dead body back. But it's our wish and to all of us, for the safety measures of all of us, especially for the young people, that we can protect them. And how we can protect them, the government can do some health measurement where the young people and children should be safe in the near future. That's the point we can think it for it in the near future. To do such kind of things and the places to visit, it's joy in life, but we need to save people, so that we can think something better. Thank you.